How's it going, guys? So today we're going to solve the question which is remove all adjacent duplicates in string. So this question is quite simple. Like if you understand this question, like you understand how the stack is working. So we use the help of stack to solve this question. All right. So let's just read the first question. What it's saying. So it's saying like we have given a string as considering of all lowercase English letter, a duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters, okay, and removing them. All right, so we have to remove two equal adjacent letters, like the two words coming together, okay. So we repeatedly make a duplicate removals on S until we no longer can. Okay, so we will remove until like we cannot find any similar one. Within the final string, after all such duplicates removal have been made, it can be proved that it's a unique one. All right, so let's just look at over here what it's saying. So we just simply take this test case. We have this test case A, B, B, A, C, A. Okay, guys. So what we have to do, we have to remove the similar objects from over here. Okay, so we have to remove this B. Okay, after removing the B, the A will come together. The A is similar because there is space. Nothing is over here. The A will remove. And if you look at over here, C and A, they both are different, so this will be our answer. So how we're going to do it, we just use the simply help of stack to solve this question. All right, so let me just give a overview like how we're going to solve this. So let's say we have stack A, like we have this element A, B, B, A, C, A. Okay, what I will do, I will create one my stack. Okay, let me call it ST. Okay, now what I will do, I will put the element in the stack which is like I will put the element which are not similar. Okay, or if the stack is empty and it's coming first time, only if that's the condition, then I will put it. So like my stack is empty, one condition, and it's like it's not similar to anyone, so it will come. So A will come in my stack. Okay, now what I will happen, I will go in the next one, I will check is B similar to the previous one. It will check no, B is not similar to the previous one, so B will go in the stack. Okay, now this B will come, it will say is B similar to the previous one? Yes, it is similar to the previous one. So what I will do, I will simply remove this from the stack, and these two will be removed. All right, guys. Okay, so now what we have left, like empty over here. Now A. So what I will do, I will check again, like is A similar to the previous one in the stack? Yes, it is similar to the A in the previous in the stack. So what I will do, I will simply remove these both as well from the stack. Okay, so what will happen, we will see our stack is empty now. Our stack is empty. So what I will do, I will just simply put C in the stack, and like it's going it's stacking my two both of the condition. The stack is empty and it's not similar to the previous one. Okay, now what I will do, I will go for the another one. Is A similar to the previous? No, it's not similar to the previous one. So now my A and C is coming on the stack. So what I will do, I will finally print my stack, but my stack will come like in the form of AC. So I will reverse it to get my CA in the form of string. Okay, guys, like as they are in the form of factor, so I will convert it. First of all, I will reverse it and then I will convert it into them string. So I hope this question is clear, like how we're going to approach this question. So let me just erase everything from over here. Okay, so let just solve this approach. So what I will do, first of all, I will create my stack first of all, and this is my character one. So because we are dealing with character over here, okay, I will call it as ST. Alright, guys. Now what I will do, I will run a for loop from int I to 0 to the length of S till last. Okay, I plus plus. Alright, guys. Now I will run an if condition. I will say if my stack is empty. Okay, and I will say like if my stack is not empty. Over here I will say if my stack is not empty, alright, guys, and the peak element on the stack. What did I mean by doing this? The element is on the top of the stack. The last element we just put in our stack is at the peak. I will check, is it similar to that we are looking at now? Is it similar to the current element we are looking at? If that's the condition, if the stack is not empty and it's similar to the previous one, okay, then what I will do is similar to the element present in the stack, then I will simply pop it up. Okay, and it means like it is removed from the stack. Else if the stack is empty or my element is not similar to the previous one, then what I will do, I will simply push into my stack, add it into my stack. st.push s.char at I. Alright guys. Okay, now if you look at over here, what just I told you, like if you if we just look at this test case, we have CA. So like what we have C, no, we have AC in our stack. If we just remove, then you know like how it's removed in LIFO, last in first out. So the first element present in the stack will be removed first, so it will come like A. After that, what will happen? The C will come. That C will come from the stack, so C will come over here. Okay, now my stack is empty, but it's in the reverse order. Okay, so I what like is in the wrong order, is in the reverse one, so we have to reverse it first. So for that, what I will do, I will use the help of string builder in this one. All right, so I will say string builder SB new string builder. Okay guys, so I will run a loop to remove it and put into my string builder. So what I will do, I will say while my stack is not empty. So this loop will run till the stack is not empty. Okay, so I will say while my stack is not empty, then what you have to do, sb.append, add in my string builder and remove from the stack. Alright guys, I hope this thing is clear. And finally we have to return it. So once I am returning my string builder, I have to reverse it first. Okay, and I have to convert into the string. So like you know, we are just receiving the character, so I have to convert the character into the string. So I will use toString. Alright guys, and we just finish our code. Let me just give a quick run to this one. I have the code is very simple. I just whatever I explain is similar to that one only. So yeah, it's accepting. Let me just submit it. And here we go guys. So like in this question we are dealing with the time complexity of O of n, because we are running for like n characters. Okay, and the space complexity is again O of n. Okay, because we are using a space of stack. All right guys, I hope this question is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, then just do watch the video again. If you have any doubts, then just do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reach to you guys. Alright guys, thank you very much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.